What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and it's another beautiful day. It's Friday. I know a lot of people, this is y'all last day before y'all the weekend. It's not mine. I don't get off until Saturday. Saturday will be my last day, but it's another beautiful day. Back out here with a new project. And if y'all don't remember, one of the only complaints that I had about this car was that it is too quiet. And that is my only issue. And so, thinking about getting a muffler delete today. It's just something small and something temporary to hold me over until I get my Corsa exhaust, which will be coming soon. But I'm not spending a bunch of money on this car just yet because I still do have my other car in the shop. And so I'm more focused towards getting that one out. And so right now I'm just doing little quick things with this one, because this car is pretty much almost complete, I say, because all I have to do is send the nitrous system back to nitrous outlet, or 9 times out of 10 I'll buy a new system if that was the case, if I wanted to throw it back on, or I can go get another blower or do both. But this car is pretty much complete. My other one, on the other hand, needs a little bit more work as far as getting it to where I want to go power wise. So this will probably just be a little quick change just to make it a little bit louder, because like I say, I like the cars to be a little bit louder than what I have. Oh, another thing, I just installed my decal and it came out great. But check this out. Got the decals installed. I actually got another one on the back. So yeah, it's official now. It's another cts-v vehicle. But like I said, yeah, I was riding dirty for a little bit, I'm not gonna even lie. So I just got insurance put on this car, so now I don't have to really just worry. So if the car is a little bit louder, then I can always throw my stock mufflers back on until I get my Corsas. But I just want to see how it's gonna sound when it it's loud. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see this really well, it is stock mufflers still on this car. Now the only thing is, I want to make sure that they have a pipe. Just like these mufflers, I want to make sure that they have some kind of pipe to where I can just disassemble them, and I'll throw on my own Corsas, because that's easy. But I remember I wasn't doing YouTube back then, but I did have a black 4-door cts-v, and I went to this muffler shop and they welded the mid pipes and everything to my straight pipe. To my straight pipe, my muffler delete. And that's what I don't want this time, because I am going to be switching the Corsa, because I'm not going to keep it with the muffler delete for long, because I know it's going to be extra loud, especially when it's cammed and everything like this. But I just want to go see what it's like, make it louder. So I'm going to show y'all a video. You heard what it sounded like before with the mufflers on there, and I just post up another video on here just so you can remember, and then head over to the shop. You'll be able to hear what it sounds like with them off. So let's go. Alright, let's start this thing up. First, let me make sure I got my mask. Mask check. Got my wallet. Got my keys. And let's go. That's crazy that that's the new norm right now, though. You gotta have a mask everywhere you go. Yeah, this car is gonna be loud, bro. But it hate me, but because it's loud right now. It usually quiets back down though, but I know with this delete, whew, that's gonna be some noise. But I still need to get in contact with G-Force because I need to go ahead and get this final tune on this thing. So then, you know, everything will be straight then. And then I could get y'all some footage of it at the track at least. Even if I'm not spraying nitrous, because I'm not spraying right now, then I can still get some times at the track before I get kicked off, because I know this thing will run at least a 9. But, yeah. I know this car is going to be super, super loud. I already got this white lady looking at me right now, this older lady. But, yeah. I'm gonna probably get, I don't know, I'm gonna probably get some complaints, but we'll see. If I have to park, I'm not gonna park outside, but I'll put it in the garage, because we do have the garage, so I'll clear that out and then, you know, just park it in there. But it was a Mustang that was pretty loud too. I think he was straight piped. But yeah, man, I'm finna head over to this muffler shop that I actually got my other car did it, and I'll pick up from there. Alright, we made it up to the shop right now. This is the same shop that I went to with my black cts-v, so I'm gonna see if their price is still the same, because the car done changed. So we gonna see what's up. Alright, so we out here now. We're about to do the work on it, which is not that bad. He got one more job ahead of me that he knocking out real quick, so no, it'll be a quick little job, but I can't wait. It's not that bad, but I don't know, maybe I'm just used to race cars, so it's not that loud to me. I'm still end up getting some mufflers on this thing though eventually, but right now I'm finna head to work. And like I said, the best part about it, because you in a Cadillac, it's still pretty quiet in here, but it's just now people know like it mean business. So, you know, I've never been with the whole sleeper thing. I mean, if you see the car, then it's like, yeah, the car is something, is doing something. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. I'm finna head to work. Hopefully it don't rain or anything like that, but yeah, that's not that bad. Ain't that bad to me, at least. But yeah, I'm finna head to work right now, and stay tuned. About to go get this car tuned soon, and I'm finna go buy some more stock mufflers for this thing too, because then I could just swap them out. You know, that'd be an easy little fix. But yeah, we out here now. You can hear me. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my page and all that. Click the notification bell, and we finna hit some stuff. Let's go. See you later.